I've been living with my grandpa ever since I was a child. There was always something off about him. He had a strange hobby. He liked to collect marionettes, creepy-looking little bastards, but in a way they had this comforting feel to them. As if I could see them feel safe. My grandfather told me when I was young about this one room that he'd never wanted me to go in. But on my 16th birthday, I had to go to it. When I walked to it, my grandfather called out to me, as if in pain. He kept calling to me, begging for me to come to him. My grandfather's scream suddenly cut the silence. I had to go to him, and when I went in, all I saw was blood and marionettes on the ground. His throat was slashed. I was stretched in darkness until I noticed the cut through the darkness.
He was weak, but you are strong.
Who's there? Show yourself.
He had to go. Couldn't stay. Couldn't take care of them.
Killed you, didn't you?
You were strong and opened the door. He was weak.
Get up and feet.
Welcome home, Father.
Good job, Alfred. Good job, good job.
Thank you, guys.